Welcome back to our channel. Yes, kahapon pumunta kami sa downtown. Kumain kami sa Japanese resto in a long time. Ngayon lang ulit kami nakakain ng Japanese sa Japanese restaurant. Nakakain ng Japanese. Ang pangit. Tapos ayun, may school party sila, CG. Sineselebrate din nila dito yung Valentine's Day. So, ayan, meron siyang artwork. Tapos, meron siyang goodie bag. I-share daw niya yung laman yan sa loob later. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ayun, tawag dito, may snowstorm na naman kami. So, cancel ang school tomorrow. Tomorrow, malakas ang hangin. And sabi, baka magkaroon ng 6 inches of snow. Kaya, walang pasok. Did you bring your laptop? Your notebook?
What kind of notebook?
No, teacher said you will bring it. It's an electronic, e-learning tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Did you bring it?
What kind of?
Your notepad? Your laptop?
The Chromebook?
Yeah, the Chromebook. Chromebook pala yung tawag. Okay. Ayun. Tapos, na rin pala ako schedule. Actually, 2 weeks ago ko pa napaschedule yung nila sa pedya. Kasi, hindi pa naka-antibiotic na nga si Kenji. Pero may sipon pa rin siya. Yes, the helicopter.
And now I can fly. And now I can fly.
Yun. So, may sipon pa rin siya. Tapos, tawag dito. Pero hindi na colored masyado yung lumalabas sa kanya. Light na lang. Light green. Pero, ganun pa rin. So, pero hindi na siya as congested at before. Hindi na siya ganun ka-congested as before. Kaso lang yun, gusto ko pa rin magkaroon ng wellness check silang dalawa dito. Tsaka para magkaroon na rin ako ng pedia. Kasi up until now, ang ginugulo ko pa rin yung pedia namin sa Pilipinas. Ay, Doktora Ang, thank you so much for keeping me sane. Akala mo na si Doktora, no? Tapos, yun, urgent care, puro urgent care, ganyan. At least kapag may pedia na kami, pedia, pwede na namin tumawag muna dun sa doctor's office kung anong magandang gawin, ganyan. Kasi nakakatakot yung nangyari talaga kay CG. First time kung ma-experience talaga sa kanya na, hey!
Alexa, stop alarm.
First time kong makita sa kanya na talagang up and down, yung sumusuka tsaka nagpo-poops at the same time. Tapos, hindi talaga siya makakain. Lahat ng intake niya, nilalabas niya. Eh, girl, pag ako yun, nasa Pilipinas, day 2 pa lang, nasa ER na yan, ba diba?
And now?
Naka-admit na yan for sure. Kaso dito hindi ganun. Sabi sa akin, not unless your son is lethargic or talaga, yung wala nang parang yung dehydrated to the maximum level na, saka mo lang siya dadalhin sa ER. Yun.
And now it's time to open this bag of my Valentine from the party from my school. Let's go!
Come on, you open it one by one here.
So first one we got is Media.
What's that? Why there's trash here? Oh,
What?
tinapunan ni Daddy mo. Akala niya siguro basura. Grabe naman si Daddy.
Dad! Oh wait! Mommy, wait! There's the stuff that I had from the party. They just put the trash here. So first we got ring pop. Next we got, I don't really know what this is. Oh yeah, being your friend is my jam. The next one we
This is
have,
from Miss Dory.
yeah, and next we have Fun Dip.
That's from Tate. Thank you, Tate.
Yeah, my classmate. And here we have, Fun Dip again. And in the back we have You Glow. Next we have this lollipop and this pencil. It's from Miss Chelsea. Or something.
Miss Chelsea.
And the next one, Next one is this. You're amazing. This is cool.
Yes, Kenji, but
Oh,
not so
thank
loud,
you,
okay?
Miss T.
Okay, Miss T.
I don't know what it is. Ooh.
Open it na. You open so
Next one we have this. Ooh, this adorable cat. It's squishy. Next one we got.
Kenji,
Ooh, what is
you can
this?
take this doorables.
Ooh, what is this? Look at this, mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, forget me not.
Thank you.
And the next one we have. Ooh, what's this? What's in here?
We can put this in the...
Let's see what is in this letter. Ooh, cool. It's a bird. Is there any? There's one more. And two
stickers.
stickers. Let me change. Nope, there's no more.
Okay.
Next we have. Ooh, Happy Valentine's Day.
That's the the squishy. What's that?
This
Kenji's
is
holding this with
I
that-
wish you a happy Valentine.
Yeah, that's from
The
her.
next one we have. Ooh, Krabby Patty.
That's
Thank
from...
Will.
Okay.
Oh, why did I put it there? Next one we have. I don't know what this is, but. Oh wait! Oh, it's kind of. Oh, it's gummies.
Okay.
Thank you, Caleb.
Let's squish it.
The next one we have. Ooh. Actually, I didn't have this, but let's open this later. And next one we have this word search.
Yeah. Let's
And
show them
next
later
one we
after
have-
that, okay?
Oh, thank you, Brayden. I got this. It's no stretch being your friend. The next one we have. Ooh, Welch or something. Thank you, Isla. The next one we have. Happy Valentine's Day to Seiji. Wait, they spelled my name wrong.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Okay.
It's from Olivia.
Oh, this is cute.
Smells
It's
nice.
from your Olivia. You're a great friend. Thank you. The next one we have. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, this is moving. Look, it's moving. Guys, look, it's moving.
Seiji, this one is from Olivia.
Yeah, and thank you, Romeo.
That's so cool.
What is
Look,
that,
it's literally
Romeo?
Kenji.
Next one we have. Ooh, oh, I got Milky Way. Wait, who is this from? Harry Potter. Oh, it's Harry Potter. Wait. Oh, this is could open. Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh, wait a minute. Wait, is this supposed? Okay, I don't mind. Okay. Ooh, I remember. Oh, my sticky hand again. Actually, I'm not bringing this to school because, like, what happened. The next
Yeah,
one.
this is from Brayden.
Yeah, thank you, Brayden. Airheads. I don't know who was this from because I forgot. Oops. The next one we have. Ooh. What is this? Oh, gummy beads. Yay. Next we have. Ooh, the lollipop.
Lollipop. That's from Miss... Oh, this is from Miss Lisa. Your bus driver.
Yep. Next one we have. It's a different language.
This is from the Japanese restaurant last night. Ito yung after magbayad. Ito yung binigay.
Ooh, I got roll-ups. Thank you, Tate, my partner.
In your friend.
Next one we have. Ooh, this lollipops. And this one. I got your beta. Your beta. Quick.
No!
The last one we got. This one. Oh, thank you, Coop. It was supposed to say Cooper,
Okay.
but he named himself Coop. His mother calls her. Her mother calls her Coop,
Oh, yeah.
but his real name is Cooper.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
That's it?
Yup. Thank you, everyone, for this amazing Valentine. Actually, I'm not the one who I made this one. So thank you for everything. I accidentally ripped one. Sorry, guys.
Yun. So, dun sa school nila, nag-organize yung mga parents, yung what you call that? May mga volunteer na parents para mag-ayos ng party nila. Lahat ng occasions from, yan, Valentine's until Christmas party. May mga ano sila, may mga pakulo. Yan. Sila yung nag-organize, tulungan nila yung teacher. Ayun. Tapos, may, yan, nag-arrange din kami ng ano, giveaways for the Valentine's para sa mga classmates niya.
Mommy, where did you put the papers?
Yan. Oh, pa.
Mommy, where did you put the papers?
Hey, you forgot to thank somebody. You forgot to thank... Who gave you that ball?
Oh, thank you, Tita Norman.
Tito Norman only?
And Tita Sabera said.
Okay, okay, good.
No.
Yan, magkakalat na po ulit sila. So, mamaya ulit.